Long, thin, narrow gardens are always a tricky design challenge. In essence, the main problem with them is that the narrow width focuses your view right to the end, which makes things feel a bit like a tunnel. So what we have to do is to try and expand the width by making you notice the narrowness less. And we do that by putting in, shall we say, pauses or full stops in the garden that make you look from left to right and make you stop and linger. Clearly here you can see how all the visual focal lines point to the end of this garden. So, what is there to see at the end, and does it capture your attention? Now, there were some nice features in the garden, these lovely sleepers and a nice wall, but the planting was very static, which means when you walk all the way up to the end of the garden and get to the summer house, what do you look back and see? We've taken this journey down this straight path right to the end, but what's making us linger? How are we pausing our journey to the summer house, and what can we see from the summer house? Maybe we need to start introducing these full stops, places where we want to sit, and then creating views from those places that are attractive. This central narrow path here really needs to be got rid of. We can try and reduce its impact by planting around it, but this thin straight line only highlights the narrowness of the garden. So this is about creating a journey. And we do that by stripping away the visual straight lines to the end of the garden. As you can see here, the paths are more informal. We have blocks of colour to the left, to the right, and we have repeat colours down the garden. The layout is designed to make you stop, linger, look left, look right, look up and down, and then you won't notice the narrowness of the garden so much. If you'd like some specific design advice or help for your garden, we offer a brilliant video consultation service. Simply book your call at plantplots.com, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.